Spiral cooling or proofing towers are modern bakery food factories, the core equipment for achieving continuous, automated, and high-quality cooling or proofing. The core advantages are space-saving, uniform cooling or proofing, and product stability. Easy to clean, a standard configuration for large-scale baking production lines suitable for multiple food categories. Vertical spiral structure, multi-layer wraparound conveying, occupies only a third to a fifth of the area of straight-line cooling. Significantly save workshop area, greatly reduce workshop space, substantially save workshop floor space. Food-grade ultra-high molecular weight, wear strips made of imported materials. The inner cage polymer guide rails with bosses are evenly distributed at specific intervals to prevent the belt from slipping and shaking. Flexible input and output, supports low input and high output, high input and low output, and multiple inputs and multiple outputs. Perfectly fits the workshop, layout and production line connection. High in, low out, gentle cooling, with small temperature difference, perfectly protecting cream cakes and the like. Easily deformable and collapsible products. Low inlet and high outlet, fast cooling, high efficiency, suitable for dry and hard products such as bread. The drive uses a SO brand geared motor. Automatic chain tensioning device for drive chains. Keep the chain tension to prevent it from falling off. The transmission uses a Shield 24 a transmission chain. Stable operation, long service life, dual stage transmission drive, freely adjustable speed. The control panel electrical box is the smart brain of the spiral tower, responsible for the speed regulation, start-stop, temperature control, fault protection, and interlocking control of the entire spiral line. It is the core component that ensures the continuous and stable operation of the baking, proofing, and cooling production lines. Intelligent frequency conversion, precise speed control, 050H to stepless speed, regulation, matching different production capacities for more stable output. Interlinked control, efficient synergy, can be connected to proofing and cooling. Equipment to achieve full process automation. Equipment configuration can be customized as needed, such as the motor option of SO motors, Taiwan Shangbang motor, Germany Jingyan motor, etc. Electrical options include brands such as Siemens, Inovance, Mitsubishi, Delta, Schneider, etc. The conveyor belt can be 304 stainless steel mesh belt or food-grade plastic mesh belt. Optional length of 100,300 meters. Width range of 500,110 mm.